Hello guys, first import the model image blueprint. View, import image plane, open and insert it into a layer. Lock the layer, create a cylinder and resize it. Subdivision caps 0. Move it. X-ray and wireframe shaded mode on. Select source image and move it back and lock it again. Now X-ray mode off from perspective view. Now select this face, rotate it and mesh on the image blueprint. Select the bottom face, scale it a little bit, insert an edge on center, select edge and move it. Insert another edge, select edge slide from transform constraint. Now rotate this edge and move it up. Edge slide off, insert another edge, scale it and mesh on the blueprint. Insert another edge, scale it and move. Select this top face, scale it. Now insert some edges. Select these edges and mesh on the blueprint. Select a bottom face, scale it a little bit. Now insert another edge, duplicate this model and insert it into a layer. Rename this layer, copy one piece, lock this layer and invisible it. Now select this model and go to the side view. Select these faces and delete this. Select edge, select edge slide from transform constraint. Select these edges, move it and mesh on the blueprint shape. Here, select edges and vertices and move them and try to make a curved shape like the blueprint. This curve. Now select multicut tool and add multicut for making this curve. X-ray mode off. Insert an edge with a multicut tool. Now add some multicut for maintain the topology. Also delete these edges for making this quad. Create another edge by multicut tool. Delete these edges for making this chord. Again, insert an edge with multicut tool and add multicut. Delete this edge. Now this is the technique to maintain the distance between two edges. Select these vertices and move it a little bit. Delete these edges. Now add multicut for making this chord. Select these vertices and move it. Delete this edge. Again add multicut for making this chord. Press 4 for wireframe display. Press 5 for shaded display. Select these vertices and move it. Also go to the wireframe mode, Select vertices and move it. Select these edges and rearrange the edges. Also select vertices and rearrange the vertices. Turn off the edge slide. Visible the duplicate model, unlock it. Select the duplicate model and assign new material. Arnold, a standard surface, and insert a color on this model. Unlock the layer and hide the model. Now select these faces. Then Ctrl Shift right click and go to the object mode. Press R, Shift and then drag for extrude. Now match the extrude faces on the blueprint. Select this face, then delete. Now select the extrude faces. And perfectly match on the blueprint. Change the gizmo tool position for press D and move it to the corner, then scale. Select this edge and move it inside a little bit. Now select these vertices and move this inside a little bit and try to match on the blueprint. Also select these vertices and move this inside a little bit and try to match on the blueprint. Now select these edges, scale it, Also select these edges. Then holding X for grid snapping, then move. Press 3 for smooth view. Now visible the copy model. Now select these edges, then press Ctrl, middle mouse button drag for meshing the shape on the copy model. Also select these vertices and mesh on the copy model shape. Now hide this copy model. Press 3 for smooth view. Now duplicate this shape and also group this shape. Go to the channel box, scale Z -1. Select this both shape, then combine. Now go to the side view. Select this both shape vertices. Then shift right click, merge vertices. Here increase the distance threshold value for perfectly merge these vertices. Go to the object mode, then mesh display, soften edge. Select these edges, shift right click, fill hole and bevel this edge. Go to the channel box, decrease the fraction value and number of segment 2. Select this face, extrude it, increase the offset value. Active wireframe mode. Insert some multicut to complete the topology. Also insert some edges by multicut tool. Go to the bottom shape, select these edges, shift right click, fill hole, bevel these edges, go to the channel box, decrease the fraction value, number of segment 2, select this face, extrude it, increase the offset value, insert some multicut to complete the topology. And also insert some edges by multicut tool. Select the shape, freeze transform, history relate. Now active the symmetry. Now select these vertices and holding Ctrl Shift, then slide for maintain the quad distance. Now go to the object mode, select the shape, right click, assign new material, Arnold AI standard surface, right click, material attribute, increase the color opacity. Inactive wireframe mode, active the symmetry, go to the sculpting and select smooth surface tool, double click on smooth surface tool and increase the strength value, then holding shift and brush on the shape. Now go to the object mode, inactive the symmetry, press 1. Now insert some edges for detailing by multicut tool. Press 3 for smooth view. Select these vertices and move it inside a little bit. Select multicut tool, insert some edge on this shape. Select these faces, extrude it, change the local translate value minus. Select this inner edge and press F for focusing. Now select multicut tool and insert some edge for detailing. Select these faces, edit mesh, then extract. Go to the object mode, mesh, separate. Press 3 for smooth view. Now select the whole object and combine. Now go to the side view and scale this object whatever you want. Now select these vertices and move it a little bit for meshing this shape. Now go to the sculpting, active with symmetry, select the smooth surface tool, then hold shift and brush on the shape. Go to the object mode, inactive the symmetry, select object and separate. Then freeze transform, history delete, select this, right click, assign new material, Arnold AI standard surface, right click, material attribute. Also open a image to pick the colors, increase the metalness. Now select the another part, right click, assign new material, Arnold AI standard surface, then click the color, select the eyedropper tool, pick the color, also increase the metalness. Go to the Arnold light, sky dome light, the sky dome light attribute, click on color option, select file and select the HDRI image, that you like. Now press 7 for lighting view. Select right click material attribute and decrease the metalness. And increase some roughness. Also select this part, right click material attribute and change the metalness value. I think it is perfect. Also I have to insert the color on the inner shape. For this, click on display hyper shader and select this inner shape. Right click on shader color, then assign material to selection. Select the whole shape, then combine. Now create a plane, scale it and move the plane up a little bit. Right click, assign favorite material, Lambert. Also right click material attribute and decrease the color value. Finally, I finished this model, and also thanks for watching this video.